Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to draw fairy wands. Draw a circle. Draw a bigger circle. Start drawing a pentagram in the center. In the center is a small circle. Small heart at the top. Small circles. Draw a small circle at the bottom as well. A big heart. A small heart. Now draw the fairy wand handles. Draw a pair of lovely wings. Wings on the left. Draw some diamond-shaped elements around it. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. That's great. Now let's get some color. Pink. Light yellow. Blue. Orange, red. 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 Pink. Light green. Green. Light yellow. Purple. Purple. Light yellow. Red. Green. Our work is done. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching.